Good evening, y'all. You're taking a look from our Fort Sky cam right now. Today was a very crazy day, especially in the weather department. 3 storm complexes that came through. Look at your temperatures right now. It's 69 in Fort Smith, 68 in Potos, 70 in South, 68 in Fayetteville, and 72 in. Now here's the future cast over the last 24 hours. That was Storm Complex 1, 2, and here's that other one that developed out in Oklahoma. And then more showers, and then more storms developed to our north on ledge, and then boom, now was complex number 3. Now the Storm Prediction Center has Northwest Arkansas under a marginal risk for severe storms tomorrow. Here's the front that's been giving us all these complexes. Tonight's lows are this is already lows. They're in the 70s, 60s, and 70s. Tomorrow's highs are going to be into the low to mid 90s for the River Valley and the upper 80s for Northwest Arkansas. This is your temperature outlook. And then Monday's night's lows, they're going to be in the mid 70s for the River Valley and low 70s for Northwest Arkansas. This is your temperature outlook. Tuesday's highs are going to be in the mid 90s for the River Valley and the lower 90s for Northwest Arkansas. This is your temperature outlook. And then Tuesday's night's lows are going to be in the upper 70s for the River Valley and the mid 70s for Northwest Arkansas. This is your forecast. Alright, so here's what's going on in the weather department. We got a complex another complex developed out in Kansas. It's moving this way. Here's the thing. It's going to weaken as it moves through, and then look here. It moves from Northwest Arkansas. It moves to Northwest Arkansas. It's going to move to the River Valley, but the rain chances are going to be limited. So Northwest Arkansas looks to have a better chance than the River Valley. People are probably thinking, yes. Northwest Arkansas does need some of the rain, as they've been getting missed by most of these complexes. They've only seen a few showers and storms. But then daytime heating builds up, and boom, more storms are to fire up near Northwest Arkansas. These could be severe. Both of these tomorrow could have a potential to be severe, and the main threats of those will be damaging winds. It's your forecast. Excuse me. We got a high pressure ridge that's going to develop over us for this week. It's going to leave our temperatures into the mid 90s and lows in the mid 70s. Storm should end tomorrow night, and then we should be good for the rest of the week. We got a lot of rain. Some areas got about half an inch. Some areas got nearly 5 inches. So it's been a crazy day, especially here, or crazy weekend in the weather department. I'm Austin Nagel from the LHS Weather team. Have a good night, everyone.